to get 1099 from Square. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get your 1099 text form from your Square account. So first of all, just open the preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for squareup.com, and after that you will be landed to the official website of Square. And over here you need to simply log into your account using your credentials, and if you don't have an account, just simply click on get started for free and create an account for yourself. And once you're there, in order to get your 1099 text form, you first need to check the criteria in order to get the 1099 text form. So it says that in order to get your 1099 text form, you need to have more than $20,000 gross sales from your goods and services and more than 200 transactions in the calendar year. And if you don't complete this particular threshold, you won't be able to receive your 1099 tax form from your Square account. So to ensure that you have accurate tax reporting for you and your business, and to prevent any possible RIS withholding, it is very important that you update your Square account and matches your IRS records with them. So in order to access your 1099K form once it is available and you have completed the threshold for that as well, you need to log into your account and open the dashboard and go to the account settings and the business settings after that, and click on text form. If you qualify for a form, 1099 text form, you can download a PDF of your form and update your text information there and directly from the text form, and you can update your text information directly from the text form tab if you need to. If you do not see the form available for download or the text form tab, it is most likely because you did not qualify to receive a text form based on your account activity. So form for each year will be made available on your Square dashboard by January 31st for the following year. If you don't qualify for the 1099 text form, you can still review your yearly sales summary and card processing fees and from your online Square dashboard as well. So this is basically how you will be able to get 1099 from your Square account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.